Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on Palantir just 12 days ago, to be exact on July 29th of this year, when the price of this asset was, as you can see right here, at $124.65 at overnight hours. And at this point, my main assumption was that this asset, right after it formed 5 impulsive waves to the upside and right after it hit the level of resistance that I marked previously, it had a quite substantial decline and it hit the most probable range of trend reversal. It was a so-called golden pocket range, and you can see that my previous video is titled PLTR Stock Hit Golden Pocket Range. Will it bounce higher? Details inside. And at this point, my main assumption was that because of this price action that hit the golden pocket range, and as long as this bottom holds, we have all the chances to see the movement to the upside to $171.83. And guys, take a look right here. This is the actual price action. This is the point where I made my previous video, and right after I made it, this asset was in consolidation for a couple of days, and right after its earnings report, it skyrocketed to the upside. And guys, take a look right here. It hit this level of this price target to the tick, and for now it bounced out of a little bit higher levels, and it is hovering exactly at $171.83 mark. So, as you can see, technical analysis works perfectly well. And if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my Patreon account. And guys, this is the post that I wrote on January the 30th. It is a public post that you can find on my Patreon. It is pretty much all trade alerts that I made from December the 1st to January the 30th. These are the results of these alerts. You can see that all of the trades were in profit except this one on December 19th. TRWV hit a stop loss order, and we've lost about 1.33% on this trade, but all other trades are in green. That is why you can use these trades in your personal trades as a part of your due diligence. So guys, you've seen many of my trade calls, all delivering strong returns in just hours. Now it's your turn to trade smarter. Join my safe haven Patreon tier, built for traders who want consistency, structure, and real results. You will get a detailed plan to protect your portfolio, monthly one-on-one Zoom sessions with me, and private Discord access with all trade alerts, lessons, and exclusive updates. And here is the best part. If you don't earn more than your subscription price within 30 days, you will receive a full refund, no question asked, as long as your trading account balance is at least $2,500 and you've taken all the recommended trades during the period. No excuses, no fine print. You profit or you don't pay. Join today and let's start building your edge in the market.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So guys, and on today's video I will show you why this asset had this substantial incline in its price, and I will show you what should we expect next in the near-term perspective. So first of all, let's pay our attention to the general sentiment related to this stock, and definitely you know that this movement to the upside happened because of their amazing results. Wait a second, they beat expectations on earnings by 18.98%, and they beat expectations on revenue by 6.8%. And here is the summary, AI summary of its results. Palantir Technologies reported record-breaking Q2 2026 results on August the 3rd, with the revenue surging 93% year-over-year to $1.935 billion, driven by a 149% increase in US commercial revenue. The company achieved a 62% operating margin and an exceptional 155% Rule of 40 score. Management raised its full-year guidance significantly, citing demand for AI sovereignty. Despite a 30% post-earnings rally, the stock is currently consolidating around 156. And this article, as you can see, was published on August the 8th. And we know that Palantir hit $172 mark. And definitely with the quite high valuation trading at 107x earnings, It shows some kind of risks of the pullback, and I will show you what should we expect from the price action. On top of that, guys, this is just the numbers, but this is the details about the activity in Q2 of this year. And Arnie Trezi wrote this on August the 3rd, right before the earnings report was published. So here is the list of deals you need to know before today's earnings. $500 million Kirkland and Ellis partnership expansion. $300 million blanket purchase agreement with Department of Agriculture. McCarthy multi-year, multi-million-dollar strategic partnership. Dell and NVIDIA partnership on-premises AI OS. NVIDIA strategic partnership for Nematron open models on sovereign AI. Zeta Global Strategic Partnership. GNP Seguros multi-year, multi-million-dollar expansion. Google Cloud Partnership to facilitate integration between platforms. Thomas Kavanagh Construction Limited 11-year expansion. SAP Partnership expansion for AI-supported data migration tool. Ukraine Partnership for reconstruction expansion. Sole contract for FAALC, sole contract for AI integration. NGC2 Data Layer Foundational role secured. Surf Air Mobility Partnership expansion. And guys, definitely all these results were achieved in Q2 alone. And you know that Palantir's contracts are extremely sticky. And it is all of them have a cumulative effect. That is why, guys, I have no doubt that Palantir might hit much higher targets, and I will show you what price target do we have on the table from the bigger picture perspective. So let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, let me show you, I don't need this tool anymore and I don't need this tool. We hit exactly as I predicted, the level exactly as I predicted. I don't need this line and I don't need this one. We have a couple of waves and let me show you that on a slightly bigger scale we have to see again 5-wave structure, but for now we have just 3 waves and we have to see lower price targets, potentially wave 4, and then we have to see the wave 5. And guys, it is not the end of its movement, it will be just a part of its journey to its major price target that I set. And let's zoom out to daily time frame. Let me show you right here that I set at $461.52. This price target is still on the table because we don't have a breakout below this bottom and we have very good movement to the upside that broke previous tiny swing highs. Let me show you that broke this $160 mark. That is why, guys, we are in the bullish side of its movements and we have to see the trend continuation. But don't get me wrong, we have to see the retracement first of all, and let me explain you what I'm talking about. You can see that we have 5 waves inside the waves, and all of them, if it is an impulsive movement, have certain guidance. And we have to see some details inside this wave 3. And let me show you internally that we have, wait a second, we have from this bottom 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 waves to this top. Internally, third wave, let me show you right here, also have 5 waves in it. 1, 2, this is internal third wave, 3, 4 and 5. And wave 5 also have all 5 waves in it. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And guys, the pure signal of its retracement will be breakout below this bottom. And I have to admit that we can have tiny movement to the upside from the current price, but I don't think that it will happen. Well, I don't think that it will happen. We have all the conditions on the table, and all these conditions make me thinking that we have to see the retracement. So I don't need these internal breakdowns, so let me delete them. And I have to say that, well, I think we can project some levels where this asset might land. And to do so, just pull, you have to pull Fibo retracement tool from the bottom of wave 3 to the top of wave 3. And we have a crucial level that shouldn't be broken in order to remain impulsive. And this is the level of 0.5. It is the price point of $148.62. Guys, all these levels, well, they are achievable by the price, and if it breaks this this level of $168.5, we have to first of all retest $164.84. We have not more than 15 to 20% probability to see the trend reversal out of this range. If it breaks to the downside, we have about well, let's say 40 to 55% probability of the trend reversal out of 0.382. It is $155.87. And if it goes lower, we have quite substantial 60 to 70% probability to see the trend reversal out of this range. So the lower it gets right after this impulsive movement, the more probability we have to see its trend reversal. But well, no one can predict the future. That is why be cautious, and we can definitely have a failed wave. But for now, I don't think that it is the case. I still think that we have 3 crucial levels out of which we might have this trend reversal. That is why, guys, be prepared for this pullback, and then it will be a good chance to re-enter your long position to catch its next leg to the upside. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you.